In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a blank page in Google Docs. Whether you're drafting a report, writing a story, or organizing information, knowing how to expertly manage page layouts can be incredibly useful. Let's dive in and make this process smooth and easy for you. First things first, open your preferred web browser and go to docs.google.com. You'll need to log in using your Google or Gmail account. If you're already logged in, you'll be directed to the main Google Docs interface where you can see your existing documents and have the option to start a new one. If you're new to the platform, you might be prompted to enter your email address and password, so have those handy. Once you're in, decide whether you want to open an existing file or start completely from scratch with a new document. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'll open an existing file where we want to add a blank page. Feel free to follow along with your own document. With the document open, find the exact spot where you want the new blank page to appear. It might be at the end of a section or in between paragraphs depending on your needs. Take a moment to position your cursor precisely where you envision this blank page fitting into your document flow. Now let's add that blank page. At the top of your screen, you'll see a menu bar with various options. Click on the Insert tab to open a drop-down menu. The options here allow you to add various elements to your document from images to tables, but what we're interested in today is adding a new page. Scroll down the drop-down until you find the break option. Hover over it and a side menu will appear. You should see Page Break listed there. Click on Page Break and watch as Google Docs inserts a brand new page right at the location of your cursor. It's as simple as that. This action pushes the content following your cursor onto the next page, neatly giving you an entirely blank sheet to work with. And there you have it. Adding a blank page in Google Docs is quick and straightforward. By leveraging the page break feature, you can ensure your document layout meets your exact requirements, whether for personal use, reports, or professional presentations. To wrap up, don't forget to frequently save your changes. Although Google Docs automatically saves your work, it's always good practice to make sure your document is up to date, especially when you're making structural changes like these. Feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or need further clarification. Happy writing, and see you in the next video.